Hi, thank you for joining me on Hermosa Beach. I'm Whitney Freya, and this is kind of part 2 in my March California trip series. There were 2 big ideas that came through when I was teaching this weekend in Orange County and San Diego, and I wanted to share them with you. So I explained in the first video kind of how the frequency, kind of like the radio station that we are tapping into, is changing. So we're getting different messages, different insights. So be sure and watch that video as well. So this one was really exciting for me because it was a new perspective on a familiar concept, and the word is the word contrast. So when I'm teaching people how to have a happy, successful painting experience, to develop their own personal painting practice, I often talk about the design principle that is contrast, that paintings, images, experiences all desire contrast. That's how we learn what we like and what we don't like, who we are and who we're not. On the canvas, it's what creates the energy, the dark next to the light, the busy details next to the quiet places. And it's the same in life. But what came out this weekend is that contrast is a necessary and very present part of the human experience, because it's how we learn to appreciate both sides of the same coin. So for example, one of my hugest values is freedom. And I know that the reason I so appreciate the energy of freedom these days is because I've also experienced feeling trapped or stuck, right? And to experience joy after a period of great sadness or grief. So in other words, life is a constant cycle of experiences. It's the yin and yang, the light and the dark, and the dark and the light. So here's the really exciting part. For those of you who are currently in one of those dark cave life cycles, where you are just really bummed and pissed and feeling puny because of health issues or family drama and tension or financial stress, guess what that means? It means you're getting ready to experience the contrasting experience or feeling or emotion. So if you're experiencing scarcity, you're getting ready to experience abundance. If you're experiencing sadness, you're getting ready to experience joy. If you're feeling stuck and trapped and, oh my gosh, Whitney, I've been trying to get out of this job for like 10 decades. Guess what you're getting ready to experience? Freedom. Start looking for the upturn. Start paying attention to what might be wanting to arrive on the next wave that will guide you, deliver you into the contrasting experience. I have personally found that the joy I am bathed in after learning a difficult lesson is priceless. So, contrast. It's a part of life, the ups and the downs. But the ups are so much more magical after being in a down spin. Thank you for tuning in and taking a moment when this video ends to just close your eyes and breathe in. Just inhale the word contrast and identify what you want to be stepping into. And then send your attention in that direction. Imagine it like just peeking out from behind that wave. It's coming. Look, it's coming towards you. It's coming. Expect it. What we expect, our expectations are so powerful. That's another video. Love to you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel here and for joining my newsletter at whitneyfreya.com. Sending you so much love. Remember, what lies within is as deep and expansive and wide as this ocean. Bye.